topsy-turvy land. Children, repeat after me. Topsy-turvy land. Topsy-turvy land. Okay, this is the poem which is a funny one. Okay, children, when you come from school to home, what do you do with your school bag? You throw it in the bedroom. Then mummy will pick it up and she will keep in its original book shelf. Likewise, when you come from school to home, you just remove your shoe and socks and throw on the veranda. Again, after some time, when your mother sees it, she will pick them and keeps in an order in the shoe rack. Okay? In the same manner, we do many playthings at home which irritates parents. So these are all what? Unkind things, uncommon things which nobody like. Sometimes we keep our head down and raise the legs up. Okay? So these things we find in one place, that is the land of topsy-turvy land. Okay? So what do they do? I'll read the poem, then explanation. Okay? The people walk upon the heads, the sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night in topsy-turvy land. The front door step is at the back. You are walking when you stand. You wear your hat upon your feet in topsy-turvy land. And buses on the sea you will meet while pleasure boats are planned to travel up and down the streets of topsy-turvy land. You pay for what you never get. I think it must be grand. For when you go, you are coming back in topsy-turvy land. Written by H.E. Wilkinson. H.E. Wilkinson. Okay. So now I'll explain. The people walk upon their heads. How we walk here on land? Commonly we walk on our foot here. But in topsy-turvy land, it is a funny land. There, people walk on their head, making their hands as the legs and keep their legs up. See the picture shown here behind this my saying. Okay? The sea is made of sand. What is the sea made up of here in our land? It's of water, salty water or water. But there the sea is made up of sand. How funny it is. Right? The children go to school by night. Children here, when do you go school? In the daytime. Maybe morning at 7 or 8 or 9. And you stay in the school up to 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock. In the morning time only you go to school for learning. But there in topsy-turvy land, they go at night. How funny it is. They go to school at night. Okay. The front door step is at the back. Children, generally, where do we have the door to enter our house? At the front. As we come from work or from school, generally we enter our house through front door of a house. But in topsy-turvy land, they have this door to entry door. They'll have at the end of the house, where we have the kitchen. After kitchen we have a door, no? That we use Rarely, never. Only when we go for washing our hands, we go through that door. But these people, they use it to enter into the house. So, front door step is at the back. You are walking when you stand. Generally, what we do when you are asked to stand, you stand, or we stand here on this earth. But in topsy-turvy land, they are supposed to stand, then they walk. They are supposed to walk, but they stand. How funny it is. You wear your hat upon your feet. Generally, where we wear our hat, hat means cap. On our head we keep our hat or cap. But children, in topsy-turvy land, people wear the hat on their feet. See how funny it is. Okay? Then, and buses on the sea you will meet. Here where we see the buses run. Buses, jeep, all vehicles we see running on the road. But in topsy-turvy land, all the buses, they sail in the sea. How wonder. And their boats, they run on roads. Okay? Pleasure boats are planned. These boats, they run on roads to travel up and down the street. In street, suppose we want to move from one place to another, just we walk. But in the street itself, they use these boats to walk here and there, to travel. Right? See, a bus is there in the water, how it is going. Okay? So you pay for what you never get. You pay for what you never get. Simply suppose if you sit in a hotel to eat and you won't eat anything, you will not take any food, but you have to pay bill. Whereas suppose if you take full stomach full of tiffin, dosa, vada, idli, you need not pay anything. How funny. Right? I think it must be grand. Everybody like that, no? To sit and eat in the hotel, because we'll eat stomach full and come out of the hotel without paying the bill. For when you go, you are coming back in topsy-turvy. Suppose on some work we go by any means, maybe using vehicle or by foot. But there, for work they won't go. For unnecessary things, they walk here and there. That is the funny thing of topsy-turvy land. Not only this, so many other examples are there which we find very funny. Okay? Thank you, children.